Oh well, here we are again. Nobody of these has been working on Sunday because I wanted to give it a rest. So we'll fire up the printer number 1, number 2, and I'll have to make a quick check which one of you is going to be. That's the one. Base paper cutting tool has been done. Electronic tops. This one will have another project soon. Have to check which base it's on. Should be on the one I have here. So place it there. And we're going on with the shaft and shaft shroud here. So check for the SD, our wind turbine project. Sorry for not letting you in on all. No, we're not printing. Yeah, sometimes that's quite a pain in the ass. So here we go again. Print from the SD. Use the wind turbine. Yes, please. Part number 3008 it'll be. And here we go. Rotor assembly. Oh, we're nearing the end of our print queue. So K-factor set, let the bed heat, and we'll have to print only one of these, and more will be coming there. So change the SD card over here, doing it single-handed adds another little more spice. I'll have to be better with my, no. The annoying part is that you sometimes stick the SD card into the wrong slit here. Change the SD card. Let's see what we got here. No. So I'll have to find out where my project is for now. This one's already been done yesterday. Okay, I'll find out and get back to you. Have a great printing day. This one is starting soon. The other one I'll make it print, and yeah. See you all around and have a great day. Bye bye.